And hey, what's up guys, it's Mr. Voodoo Pie here, just doing an update video. I want to apologize for not making a lot of videos lately, but I've been busy trying to get a new RC car. Been on eBay looking, and I found a really awesome deal, and hopefully I could get this SCX-10 but made by Axial. It's gonna have the dingo body on it, and the whole thing is brand new, which is my favorite part, because I'm gonna be able to customize it and then show you guys how I do my customization. And in this video I wanted to show you guys my custom wing that my dad made me this. I need to tighten it though, but yeah, it's custom made by my dad. Oh, I need to put it back into, there we go. But yeah, my dad made this, and it works really well. I mean, you can't really see the damage on the back, but yeah, it's a good wing. I don't know about the downforce, but for like a bar, so you don't scrape up your rear of your body while you're doing like wheelies and stuff. But this is made out of since we went camping, we made it out of this thing that you're supposed to like cook over, like little, it's like chicken wire sort of, but like it was folded over a bunch of times, so that should work really well in the future. I just need to tighten down the 2 bolts. Hopefully if you guys like want to see how I built that, hopefully I can make a video on that. So yeah, I've been trying to get that SCX-10 dingo made by Axial. Yeah, so that was this update. Catch you later. Bye.